Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Language is an input, virtual keyboard, and keyboard that you're using. Go into Themes and click Custom, then tap Start. Click Add Image and pick Gallery or Photos by tapping on it. Select a photo that you want to apply as your keyboard background and tap at the top right corner. Adjust background darkness and click Done. Now enable or disable keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and also symbols. When you're done, click at the top right corner. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!